Good morning, student. I am Dr. Nitesh Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor of English, Nagarjun Umesh Sanskrit College, Taroni, Darbhanga. Now, I teach you an important lesson of noun and their numbers. Noun. Nouns. All nouns are used in two different forms, the singular and the plural. Singular number, a noun which denotes one thing, is said to be in the singular number, as cat, dog, book, knife, life. Plural number, a noun which denotes more than one thing, is said to be in the plural number, as cats, dogs, books, knives, lives. There are certain rules for obtaining the plural form of a singular noun, because when we use in a sentence, we must know both numbers, singular and plural. So, they have been discussed below. By adding s to the singular, simply by adding s to the singular, as pen, pens, cow, cows, dog, dogs, book, books, son, sons. By adding es at the end of a singular noun, if it ends in s, sh, x, ch, z, then we use es. Always remember, when a singular noun, if it ends in s, sh, x, ch and z, then we use es, as touch, touches, gas, gases, box, boxes, church, churches, brush, brushes. By adding s to a singular noun, if it ends in y and if there is a vowel before the y, as holiday, you see here y is the last letter and vowel a before y, so we only use s, as holiday, holidays. Journey, journeys, guys, guys, key, keys, boy, boys. Okay? Then next, those singular nouns that end in f or fe from their plural by changing the f into v and adding es to those that end in f and s to those that end in fe, as half, then half, f change to v and we use es, halves. Knife, then we change fe to v and use ves. Leaf, f change to v and use es, leaves. Wife, fe change to w and use es, wives. Thief, f change to v and use es, thieves. Are you understand? Okay. Then next. However, there are certain exceptions to the above rule. For instance, a few nouns ending in f or fe get their plural by adding only s, as safe. Here you see the last word is fe, but we cannot change fe to v. We add only s, then it makes plural. Shape, shapes. Stripe, stripes. Pipe, pipes. Chip, chips. Proof, proofs. Grip, grips. Roof, roofs. Poof, poops. Stuff, stuffs. Reef, reefs. Surf, surfs. Okay? Yes, now there are certain other nouns who change both rules. As we can say, there are still other singular nouns ending in f which form their plural by following both the above methods, and both the plurals thus often are correct. As staff, here you say the last word is f, and we change into plural by both rules. As s, staffs, or f change to v and add es, staffs. Hoop, here you say f and we add s, hoops, or f change to v and add es, hooves. Scarf, scarves, scarves. Turf, turfs, turfs. Wharf, wharfs, wharfs. Both form are correct. Okay? Then next, those singular nouns which end in o and have a consonant before that o form their plural by adding es to the singular. As mango, here you say o is the last word and before o g as a consonant word, so we use only es. Mango, mangoes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Cargo, cargoes. Echo, echoes. Hero, here you also see o and r is consonant, heroes. There are some exception of this rule, as canto, cantos. Dynamo, dynamos. Hello, hellos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Memento, mementos. Manifesto, manifestos. Here you see we cannot use es. And next, such singular nouns which end in o and have a vowel before that o form their plural by adding s only. As studio, studios. Folio, folios. Cameo, cameos. Radio, radios. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Embryos. Are you understand? Then we go to next rule. Some nouns from their plural by changing the vowel sound of the singular. As dormouse, here we use dormice. Man, here man change to e, man. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Okay? There are some nouns which are a combination of two or more words. These are known as compound nouns. Such nouns get their plural by adding s to the main or the principal word. As daughter-in-law. Here daughter is the principal word, so I use daughters-in-law. Hanger-on. Here hanger is principal word, so use hangers-on. Commander-in-chief. Here commander is main word or principal word, so we use commanders-in-chief. Passerby, passers-by. Locker-on, lockers-on. Stepson, stepsons. Here son is principal word, not step, so we use sons, stepsons. Main servant. Then Men is principal word, so we use men servants. Okay, thank you very much. Then we meet in next class. Okay, bye bye.